The next one, the image formation of object, which is in between 2F and F. We can see in the diagram the object AB is in between 2F and F. As we have to follow the same rules to draw the diagram, the ray of light passing through optic center and the parallel ray of light after refraction passes through focus, and wherever they are meeting, you can see this A dash B dash is the image which is inverted. So the image is beyond 2F when the object is in between 2F and F. What is the nature of image? It is enlarged, it is real and inverted. Then the next ray diagram, when the object is on F. So what happens when the object is on F? Same rules we have to follow again. Ray of light passing through optic center and parallel ray of light after refraction passes through focus. You can see here the ray of light passing through optic center and the refracted ray of light passing through focus, they remain parallel to each other. So the image is formed at infinity. It is enlarged image, it is real and inverted. The next one, the last ray diagram, is when the object is between F and optic center. We can see here when the object is between F and optic center, same rules you have to follow. Ray of light passing through optic center and parallel ray of light after refraction passes through focus. So when you produce this, these two rays of light will never meet after refraction. So we have to produce this ray of light in backward direction such that the image is formed on the same side of the convex lens. So it is magnified image, virtual and erect image. This is the only image formation in convex lens where the image is virtual and erect.